The December night sky brings us one of the most dazzling sights in the heavens, the Orion Nebula. Located within the sword of the mighty Orion constellation, this glowing cloud of gas and dust is a true stellar nursery, a place where new stars are born. The nebula is a cosmic masterpiece that not only captivates the eyes, but also reveals much about the universe's structure and history. The Orion Nebula, also known as Messier 42 or M42, is the closest region of massive star formation to Earth. It lies about 1,344 light-years away, making it an accessible target for both amateur and professional astronomers. With a magnitude of about 4, it's faintly visible to the naked eye under dark skies, appearing as a smudge just below Orion's belt. However, through telescopes, it reveals a rich tapestry of color and structure. This nebula spans about 24 light-years and is part of the much larger Orion Molecular Cloud Complex. This complex includes other fascinating objects like the Horsehead and Flame Nebulae, all contributing to a stellar symphony in the winter sky. The Orion Nebula is a hotbed of star formation, with its glowing gas illuminated by young, massive stars. At its core lies the Trapezium cluster, a group of 4 intensely luminous stars. These stars are so powerful that they carve out cavities in the nebula, influencing the formation of nearby stellar systems. The nebula itself is a mix of hydrogen gas, dust, and other elements. The gas is ionized by the radiation of newborn stars, creating the nebula's iconic glow. This makes it an essential object for astronomers studying how stars and planetary systems form. What makes the Orion Nebula truly breathtaking are its colors. The reddish hues come from hydrogen gas, the most abundant element in the universe, while the bluish and greenish tones are caused by oxygen and other elements. These colors are captured in long-exposure images, but hint at the incredible variety of processes occurring within the nebula. NASA's infrared observations reveal even more hidden wonders. The nebula is teeming with protoplanetary disks, or proplyds, which are the early stages of planetary systems forming around young stars. This offers a glimpse into what our own solar system may have looked like billions of years ago. While exploring the Orion Nebula, it's impossible not to admire the bright stars framing this celestial region. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant, and Rigel, a blue supergiant, are among the brightest stars in the night sky. Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its life and could go supernova in the far future, creating a spectacle that would rival the nebula itself. Rigel, on the other hand, shines with an intense blue-white light owing to its high surface temperature. Together, these stars add depth to the constellation and set the stage for the nebula's dazzling display. December is the perfect time to observe the Orion Nebula as it rises high in the winter sky. To locate it, find the 3 stars of Orion's belt. Look just below them, and you'll see a small line of stars forming Orion's sword. The middle star in this sword is not a star at all. It's the nebula. With binoculars or a small telescope, you'll see a cloudy region. But with larger telescopes, the intricate details and colors come to life. Astrophotographers flock to this nebula for its visual richness, making it one of the most photographed deep sky objects. The Orion Nebula isn't just a visual treat, it's a scientific goldmine. Astronomers use it to understand the physics of star formation, the role of dust and gas in the universe, and even the dynamics of stellar clusters. By studying the nebula's chemical composition, scientists can trace back the origins of elements that make up planets and life itself. These studies help researchers uncover the life cycles of stars, shedding light on how they are born, live, and eventually die in spectacular supernovae or quiet fades. The nebula's proximity allows astronomers to observe these processes in detail that would be impossible in more distant regions. Moreover, the nebula serves as a natural laboratory for testing theories about how stars evolve and interact with their surroundings. Its dynamic nature, driven by powerful stellar winds and radiation, makes it a living model of cosmic forces at work. It's a window into the past, a guide for exploring other stellar nurseries across the galaxy, and a crucial piece in understanding the universe's intricate puzzle. The Orion constellation has been admired for centuries, featuring prominently in the mythologies of various cultures. In Greek mythology, Orion was a hunter, and the nebula adds a magical glow to his celestial figure. Ancient Egyptians associated Orion with Osiris, the god of rebirth, and aligned their pyramids with the constellation, signifying its importance in their cosmology. Similarly, indigenous peoples in North America and the Pacific have their own interpretations of the constellation, linking it to stories of creation and survival. For stargazers, this story enhances the experience of exploring the constellation and its treasures. It intertwines the observable universe with humanity's innate need to tell stories, bridging the gap between science and culture. Each glance at the nebula carries echoes of these tales, adding depth to its visual splendor. The Orion Molecular Cloud Complex isn't just home to the Orion Nebula. The Flame Nebula, another glowing region of star formation, resides nearby. This nebula is bathed in infrared light, emitted by dust, warmed by the young stars within it. Its appearance, resembling a flickering flame, is both haunting and mesmerizing. Together, these nebulae create a cosmic masterpiece that highlights the dynamic processes shaping our galaxy. The Flame Nebula also showcases how massive stars influence their environments, with radiation and stellar winds sculpting the surrounding gas and dust into complex patterns. Observing both the Orion and Flame nebulae offers a comprehensive view of stellar birthplaces, making them essential stops on any cosmic exploration journey. The interconnectedness of these nebulae further illustrates the collaborative nature of cosmic events, where one structure's activity impacts another. The Orion Nebula reminds us of the incredible scale and beauty of the universe. It's a beacon of creation, showing us how stars and planets form from the raw materials of space. It also emphasizes the interconnectedness of cosmic events, as the elements forged in these stellar nurseries eventually make their way into new stars, planets, and even living organisms. Furthermore, studying the nebula helps us refine our models of galaxy evolution. As we explore its depths, we gain insights into the formation of entire solar systems, offering clues about the origins of our own. Its intricate layers of gas and dust reveal the complex interplay between gravity, radiation, and magnetic fields, giving scientists a better understanding of the universe's mechanics. Every discovery in the Orion Nebula brings us closer to answering the profound question, how did we get here? Now we want to hear from you. What fascinates you most about the Orion Nebula? Is it the stunning visuals, the science behind its star formation, or the mythology of Orion the Hunter? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic content. Keep looking up and exploring the wonders of the universe.